Hello, everyone. Welcome again to Easy English Talks podcast.
And I'm here too. Hello, everyone. Today we have a very interesting topic.
Yes, today we're talking about something surprising. Why smart people struggle to speak English fluently.
That sounds strange, right? If someone is smart, why would they have trouble speaking English?
Exactly. Many people think, I'm good at math. I'm good at science. I understand grammar, so why can't I speak English smoothly?
And if you feel this way, don't worry. You are not alone. Many intelligent people have this problem.
Let's start with the first reason. Smart people often overthink.
Oh, yes. Overthinking is like having too many tabs open in your brain.
That's a great example. Imagine you want to say a simple sentence like, I went to the store yesterday.
But instead of just saying it, you think, is it correct? Should I use past simple? Is my pronunciation right? What if I make a mistake?
And while you were thinking about all this, the conversation already moved on.
Exactly. Fluent speaking is not only about grammar, it's about speed and confidence.
Smart learners often want to be perfect.
Yes, they don't want to make mistakes. They want every sentence to be correct.
But here is the problem. When you try to be perfect, you speak less.
And when you speak less, you improve less.
Let me give you a small example. A student knows 5,000 English words.
That's a lot.
Yes, but when speaking, she only uses 500 words because she is afraid of using the wrong word.
So her real speaking level becomes much lower than her knowledge.
Exactly. Knowledge and speaking ability are different skills.
That's very important. You can understand everything in English. You can read books, you can watch movies.
But when someone asks you a simple question like, what did you do last weekend? Your mind goes blank.
And you say, last weekend
We've all been there.
So, reason number 1, overthinking and perfectionism.
Now let's talk about reason number 2. Smart people often focus too much on grammar rules.
Oh, yes, they love rules.
They study tenses, present perfect, past perfect, future continuous.
Sometimes they know the rule better than native speakers.
True, but native speakers don't think about grammar when they talk.
They just speak naturally.
Speaking is more like a sport than a math test.
That's a great comparison.
If you read 10 books about swimming, can you swim perfectly?
No, you have to jump into the water.
Exactly. English speaking is the same. You must practice speaking, not only studying.
So, if you are very intelligent and you love studying grammar books, that's good.
But you also need speaking practice, real conversations, real mistakes.
Yes, real mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy.
They are your teachers.
I like that. Maybe we should put that on a t-shirt.
Mistakes are my English teacher.
I would wear that.
Now let's move to reason number 3. Smart people often translate in their head.
Oh, that's a big one.
They hear a question in English,
Then they translate it into their native language,
then they create an answer in their native language.
and then they translate it back into English.
That's a lot of work for one small sentence.
No wonder they feel tired.
Fluency means thinking directly in English.
But that takes time.
Yes, and it takes practice. For example, when you see a dog, try to think dog immediately.
Not the word in your language first.
Exactly. Start with simple things around you. Chair, phone, coffee.
Especially coffee. Very important word.
Very important. Survival English.
So stop translating everything. Try to build a direct connection between English words and meaning.
Now, reason number 4. Fear of looking stupid.
This one is emotional.
Yes, smart people are often used to being good at things.
In school, they get high scores.
At work, they are respected.
But in English conversation, they feel like a beginner.
And that hurts their pride.
So they prefer to stay quiet.
But remember, speaking a foreign language badly is still impressive.
That's true. If someone speaks my language with mistakes, I feel respect.
Me too. I think, wow, you learned another language. That's amazing.
So, why are we so hard on ourselves?
Good question. Maybe because we expect too much.
So, here's some advice. Allow yourself to sound simple.
Simple English is powerful English.
You don't need long, complicated sentences.
Instead of saying, I was extremely exhausted due to occupational responsibilities,
Just say, I was very tired because of work.
much easier, much clearer.
And communication is the goal, not showing how smart you are.
Exactly. Now let's talk about one more reason. Smart people often consume a lot of input, but produce very little output.
That means they watch, read, and listen a lot, but they don't speak or write enough.
Input is important, but output is necessary for fluency.
It's like cooking videos.
Oh no, I watch many of those.
Me too, but watching cooking videos does not make you a great chef.
Sadly, no.
You must go to the kitchen and cook.
Even if you burn something.
Especially if you burn something. That's how you learn.
So, if you are smart and you understand everything in English, ask yourself, how often do I actually speak?
Do you practice speaking every day?
Even 10 minutes can help.
You can talk to yourself.
Yes, describe your day in English.
Now I am making dinner. Now I am washing dishes.
Your family might think you're a little crazy.
But it's okay. It's English practice.
So, let's summarize.
Smart people struggle with English fluency because they overthink.
They want to be perfect.
They focus too much on grammar rules.
They translate in their heads.
They're afraid of making mistakes.
And they don't practice speaking enough.
The good news?
You don't need to be less smart.
Please don't.
You just need to change your approach.
Speak more. Think less.
Accept mistakes.
Use simple sentences.
Practice regularly.
And remember, fluency is a skill,
Not a test.
not a competition.
It's a journey.
A long journey with funny mistakes and small victories.
So if you are a smart person struggling with English, relax.
You already have the intelligence.
Now build the speaking habit.
Step by step.
Word by word.
Sentence by sentence.
And one day you will speak more naturally.
Without fear.
Without overthinking.
And maybe even without saying,
That would be amazing.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope this episode helped you understand your problem better.
And remember, being smart is not the problem.
Sometimes it's just about practicing in a smarter way.
Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Bye and see you next time. Bye-bye.